Avocado pear, often simply referred to as avocado, is much more than just a trendy food item found in salads or atop toast. This unique fruit, known for its creamy texture and distinct flavor, packs a punch when it comes to nutritional benefits. From heart health to glowing skin, the avocado pear offers a myriad of advantages that make it a must-have addition to any diet. Nutritional profile. Avocado pear is renowned for its rich nutritional composition. It is loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, making it a nutrient-dense food. A typical avocado pear contains significant amounts of vitamins C, E, K, and B6, along with folate, magnesium, and potassium. Additionally, avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs, omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, and beta-carotene. Heart health. One of the standout benefits of avocado pear consumption lies in its ability to promote heart health. Avocados are rich in beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol that aids in maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can potentially reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. The presence of MUFAs also contributes to heart health by lowering levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol. Weight management. Contrary to popular belief, consuming avocados can actually support weight management efforts. Despite being relatively high in calories, the healthy fats and fiber found in avocados promote satiety, keeping hunger at bay and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Incorporating avocado pear into meals can help you feel fuller for longer periods, ultimately aiding in weight control and preventing unhealthy snacking. Skin and hair benefits. Avocado pear isn't just beneficial for internal health, it also works wonders for enhancing external appearance. The vitamins and antioxidants present in avocados help nourish the skin, keeping it hydrated and youthful. Avocado oil, extracted from the fruit, is commonly used in skincare products due to its moisturizing properties and ability to reduce inflammation. Additionally, the fatty acids in avocados contribute to healthy hair by providing essential nutrients that strengthen strands and promote shine. Digestive health. Avocado pear is an excellent source of dietary fiber, with approximately 6 to 7 grams per half fruit. This fiber content supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Including avocados in your diet can aid in the prevention of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and diverticulitis, while also reducing the risk of colorectal cancer. Brain function and mood. The folate content in avocado pear plays a crucial role in brain function and mood regulation. Folate helps prevent the buildup of homocysteine, a compound associated with cognitive decline and mood disorders such as depression. By consuming avocados regularly, you can support optimal brain health, enhance cognitive function, and potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Bone health. Avocado pear contains vitamin K, a nutrient essential for bone health and calcium metabolism. Adequate intake of vitamin K can help maintain strong bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can ensure that your skeletal system remains healthy and resilient, particularly as you age. Versatility in culinary applications. Apart from its nutritional benefits, avocado pear is incredibly versatile in culinary applications. It can be enjoyed in various forms, including sliced, mashed, or blended into smoothies. Avocado makes a delicious addition to salads, sandwiches, wraps, and dips, adding creaminess and flavor to any dish. Whether used as a spread, topping, or standalone ingredient, avocado pear adds a nutritious boost to meals while enhancing taste and tea.